To open the fridge, locate the release button on top of the door. Push in and pull. When closing, push until you hear it click back into place. To turn on the fridge, press and hold the power button until the panel illuminates. You can select the power source by pressing the grey arrow button in the top right corner. If you're on mains hookup, select electric. If you don't have mains hookup, select gas. Once connected to a power source, it will take about 3 to 4 hours to get down to temperature. Before driving, switch the power source to the battery option. Once the engine is running, a current will then be supplied directly from the alternator, which will maintain the temperature of the fridge whilst on the move. Note that the warning light will flash and beep until the engine has been turned on. Auto will automatically select the best power source available and is the option that we recommend you choose. Adjust the temperature of the fridge by pressing the button with the thermometer symbol on it until you've reached your preferred choice. Note that the warning button will beep and flash if you select a power source that isn't available. To turn off the fridge, press and hold the power button until the blue lights go off.